backside. Close the curtains. Okay, Google, close all the curtains in my home.
Hey, my name is Steve, CEO of LAYWU. We spent 3 years to develop LAYWU curtains. Our purpose is simple. We hope smart curtain can be easy to install in just a few minutes without changing the track. With LAYWU curtain, we don't need to get another curtain with expensive installation cost to get them smart. As LAYWU curtains support track roads, track rail, even vertical blinds. Support up to 5 meters length and 20 kilos weight. LAYWU curtain is smart. It can be controlled through phone, remote control, Google Home, Alexa or more. It can be also coordinated with group control or Sense mode. LAYWU curtain will represent you a comfort and convenient smart home through upgrade your existing curtain intelligence. Please support us.